Applications of 3D graphics, role of mathematics in graphics. Applications in entertainment. Discuss how 3D graphics are used in movies, animation, and video games. Examples of popular movies or games that heavily rely on 3D graphics. Movies. In movies, 3D graphics are used extensively for visual effects (VFX), creating fantastical creatures, immersive environments, and epic action sequences. They allow filmmakers to achieve what was once considered impossible or prohibitively expensive with practical effects alone. For instance, the Marvel Cinematic Universe films heavily rely on 3D graphics to bring superheroes, alien worlds, and incredible battles to the screen. The Avatar movie is another prime example of groundbreaking 3D graphics as it introduced audiences to the lush alien world of Pandora. Animation. In animation, 3D graphics are used for both character animation and scene creation. They provide animation with tools to manipulate characters and environments in three dimensions, giving animations a sense of depth and realism. Pixar films like Toy Story, Finding Nemo, and The Incredibles showcase the capabilities of 3D animation, bringing characters to life with lifelike movements and expressions. Video games. In video games, 3D graphics are the core of the gaming experience, allowing players to interact with virtual worlds in real time. They enable developers to create immersive environments, realistic characters, and engaging gameplay mechanics. Games like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, The Witcher, Wild Hunt, and Grand Theft Auto or GTA 5 demonstrate the power of 3D graphics in creating expensive, detailed game worlds that players can explore and interact with. Examples of popular movies or games that heavily rely on 3D graphics include movies: Avatar, The Lord of the Rings trilogy, The Avengers series, Jurassic Park, Star Wars The Force Awakens. Video games: The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Red Dead Redemption 2, Fortnite, Cyberpunk 2077, or Minecraft. Architectural visualization. Explanation of how architects and designers are use 3D graphics to visualize buildings and structures before construction. Example of architectural projects visualized using 3D graphics. Number 1. Conceptualization. Initially, architects use 3D graphics to conceptualize their ideas. This could involve sketching out rough designs and then translating them into 3D models using specialized software such as AutoCAD or SketchUp of Revit. Number 2. Design iteration. With 3D graphics, architects can easily iterate on their designs. They can make adjustments to various elements such as building dimensions, materials, colors, and textures in real time. This iterative process allows them to refine their design to meet aesthetic, functional, and budgetary requirements. Number 3. Client communication. 3D graphics facilitate effective communication between architects, designers, and their clients. Visualizations help clients better understand the, the proposed designs, enabling them to provide feedback and make informed decisions about the project. Number 4. Virtual reality or VR and augmented reality or AR. Advancement in technology have enabled architects to take 3D visualization a step further by immersing clients in virtual environments using VR headsets or allowing them to overlay 3D models onto physical spaces using AR apps. This immersive experience gives clients a more realistic sense of scale, proportion, and spatial relationships. Number 5. Construction planning. 3D graphics assist architects in planning the construction process. They can simulate various construction scenarios, analyze structural integrity, and identify potential clashes or conflicts early on. This helps streamline the construction process and minimize costly errors during the build phase. Examples of architectural projects visualized using 3D graphics. Number 1, BIM models for large-scale developments. Number 2, residential housing. Number 3, urban planning. Number 4, historical reconstruction. Medical imaging. Describe the use of 3D graphics in medical imaging techniques like MRI, CT scans, and ultrasound. How 3D models help in diagnosis, treatment, planning, and medical education. Number 1. Improve visualization. By converting 2D image into 3D models, medical professionals can better visualize anatomical structures and abnormalities. This allows for a more comprehensive understanding of the patient condition. Number 2. Precise diagnosis. 3D models provide a more detailed representation of the patient anatomy, enabling healthcare providers to make more accurate diagnosis. For examples, in CT scans, a 3D reconstruction of the scanned area can help identify the exact location, size, and shape of tumors or other abnormalities. Number 3. Treatment planning. Medical professionals can use 3D models to plan and simulate complex medical procedures with greater precision. For instance, surgeons can utilize 3D reconstructions of a patient's anatomy to plan surgical approaches and anticipate potential challenges during the procedure. This helps optimizing the treatment process and enduring risks for the patient. 4. Patient education. 3D models facilitate patient education by offering a clearer visualization of medical condition and treatment plans. Number 5. Training and medical education. Medical students and professionals can benefit from 3D models for educational purposes. Industrial design and prototyping. Discuss how 3D graphics are used in product design, prototyping, and manufacturing. Example of industries that benefit from 3D modeling for product development. Number 1. Product design. 3D modeling software enables designers to create virtual representation of products with intricate details, textures, and dimensions. Number 2. Prototyping. 3D graphics are instrumental in creating prototypes with high precision and accuracy. Manufacturing. 3D models serve as the basis for manufacturing processes such as computer numerical control or CNC machining, injection molding, and casting. Examples of industries benefiting from 3D modeling for product development include: Number 1. Automotive industry. Car manufacturers are 3D modeling for designing vehicles, prototyping parts, and simulating crash tests to enhance safety. Number 2. Consumer electronics. Companies designing smartphones, laptops, and other electronic devices rely heavily on 3D modeling for product development. Number 3. Aerospace and defense. Aerospace companies use 3D modeling to design aircraft, spacecraft, and components with strict adherence to performance and safety standards. Number 4. Architecture and construction. Architects and constructions firms use 3D modeling to visualize building designs, assess spatial relationships, and detect potential conflicts before construction begins.